Hey, what's up everybody? It's Nick here at Full Spectrum Laser, and we're here for another episode of In the Cut, where we watch the laser perform one of its many applications. And today we have a perfect application for the holidays, and everyone likes to drink a little bit of wine at the holidays, and a lot of people love to give wine as a gift. And if you have a laser, you're in luck. You can personalize that gift with a really quick and easy etching and engraving, and the secret is you don't even need a rotary attachment. That's right, so if you have even a 45-watt hobby laser up into a pro unit, you can use your hobby laser or professional grade laser system to engrave on a wine bottle and give them out as gifts. So if you can imagine going to the store and getting a case of wine and then engraving everyone's personal message or a general message from your company or family to all those people receiving wine as gifts. So without further ado, let's cut to the laser and get engraving. There we go. Sorry about that quick technical issue, guys. Like I said, we're engraving this at 24% power on a 120 watt system and 72% speed. As you can see, even on the rounded surface, it's pretty good. We'll take it out of the laser here and take a look. And whoops, looks like we're still on. There we go. As you can see, a quick and easy way to personalize a holiday gift for the season. And there you go. Now we're going to take this nice bottle of wine and get some glasses to engrave and have ourselves something to drink. Happy holidays from everyone here at Full Spectrum Laser. Once again, you can engrave wine bottles without a rotary attachment with your CO2 laser system. See you guys next time.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you like those videos, please subscribe. We got more videos of me over here.
You're